Today is Sunday, April 15th. The time is 8:23 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011-2012 Panini Certified Hockey Break, break number 20. This break is sponsored by DCS Sports Cards. www.dcssportscards.com. Good luck, everybody. Rangers, Henrik Ludacris. Jets, Nick Antropov. Bruins, Milan Lukic. Stars, Kari Lehtonen. Stars, Lou Eriksson. Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Canadiens, Max Pacioretty. Flyers, Sergei Bobrovsky. Freshman signatures, Flyers again, Eric Gustafsson. Autograph. Blackhawks, Marian Hossa. Blues, David Backes. Coyotes, Shane Doan. Kings, Drew Doughty. Lightning Mirror, Martin St. Louis, serial numbered 44 out of 199. Blues, Jaroslav Halak. Flames, Curtis Glencross. Sabres, Drew Stafford. Maple Leafs, James Reimer. Avalanche, Paul Stastny. Canucks, Henrik Sedin. Lightning, Dwayne Ralston. Sharks, Brent Burns. Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Flames, Mirror, Curtis Glencross, serial numbered 11 out of 99. Devils, Zach Parise. Bruins, Tyler Seguin. Wild, Cal Clutterbuck. Kings, Jonathan Quick. Penguins, Sidney Crosby. San Jose Sharks, Fabric of the Game, Prime Patch. Martin Havlat. Serial number 10 out of 25. Blue Jackets, Antoine Vermette. Sabres, Derek Roy. Capitals, Nicholas Backstrom. Sabres, Thomas Vanek. Certified Gold Team, Martin St. Louis. Lightning. Ducks, Cam Fowler. Oilers, Alice Hemsky. Flyers, Danny Barrere. Kings, Mike Richards. Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Dual Jersey Mirror, Canadiens, Carey Price. Serial numbered 138 out of 150. Capitals, Mike Green. Sam Gagner, Oilers. Stars, Brendan Morrow. Senators, Eric Carlson. Jets, Andre Pavlik. Mirror Jersey, Predators, Sergei Kostinin, serial number 61 out of 99. Ducks, Bobby Ryan. And the last pack, Brad Richards, Rangers. John Tavares, Islanders. Tim Thomas, Bruins. Flyers autograph, Ela Babagov, serial number 10 out of 25. And the last card, Danny Heatley, Wild. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today, I have for football 2011, Topps Triple Threads and Panini Gold Standards. Those will be my last two box breaks for about 3 weeks as I am in the process of moving. Once I am settled in the new house, breaks will continue as usual. Thank you.